Monkey gets paycheck. Big, beautiful banana pile of money. Monkey promises this month, I'll save 30%. Day 1, new headphones. I need these for productivity. Day 3, premium banana subscription. It's investment in health. Day 7, banana concert tickets. Can't miss this. Day 14, delivery food again. Too tired to cook. End of month, Monkey checks account. $47.23 remaining. Somehow, the banana pile vanished like morning mist. Where did it go? Monkey has no idea. But here's the puzzle. Monkey wants to save. Monkey knows he should save. So, why does money slip through Monkey's fingers like peeled bananas? Part 1. The time perception problem. Monkey's brain has glitch. Present monkey and future monkey feel like different monkeys. Present monkey thinks, future monkey will handle this. Future monkey will save money. Future monkey will meal prep. Future monkey is responsible. Future monkey thinks, why didn't past monkey save anything? Past monkey's irresponsible banana waster. They're same monkey, but brain can't see it. It's called temporal discounting. Brain values immediate banana way more than future banana pile. 1 banana now feels more valuable than 10 bananas in a year, even though mathematically that's backwards. This isn't monkey's fault. This is how primate brains work. In ancient jungle, future was uncertain. Might get eaten by tiger tomorrow. Better eat banana today. Modern world future is usually not tiger-filled, but brain still acts like it is. Part 2, death by 1,000 subscriptions. Monkey thinks big purchases are the problem. I'll just skip that expensive banana vacation. Plot twist. Small leaks sink the boat. $8 streaming banana. It's just $8. $12 premium app, only $12. $15 subscription box, barely noticeable. $6 coffee daily, I deserve small treat. Individually, harmless bananas. Monthly total, $600 vanishing. Yearly, $7,000 and $200 gone. Small purchases don't feel like spending. No pain, no awareness, just gone. Like banana vapor. Monkey wouldn't drop $600 cash in toilet, but equivalent amount drips away, unnoticed, through subscription holes. Part 3. Every purchase has excuse. Monkey's brain is professional excuse generator. This is investment in myself. I work hard. I deserve it. It's on sale. I'm saving money. I'll use it all the time. Everyone else has one. Life is short. Enjoy bananas. Every excuse sounds reasonable. That's the trap. Excuses aren't lies. They read truths that ignore bigger truth. Broke future monkey. 1 T care about present monkey. Yes, investment excuses when rent is due. The question isn't, can I afford this banana? The question is this banana worth sacrificing future security? But monkey never asks second question. Part 4. Pay yourself first. Revolutionary concept. Don't try to save what's left. Save before spending. Paycheck arrives, automatic transfer to savings. Live on what remains. Why this works? Monkey can't spend what monkey doesn't see. Out of account, out of mind, into future banana pile. Start small. Even 5% equals something. $2,000 paycheck, $100 vanish to savings. Never in checking account. Never tempting present monkey. Future monkey says, thank you. Increase 1% every month. By month 12, monkey saving 16% without feeling different. Willpower fails. Automation wins. Part 5-6 Jars Method. Monkey divides money into banana jars. Jar 1 needs 50% rent, food, transport. Can't skip these bananas. Survival first. Jar 2, future 20% savings. Investments, these bananas compound. Baby bananas make baby bananas. Jar 3, freedom, 10%. Fun, guilt-free. Yes, guilt-free spending jar. Prevents rebellion. Jar for education, 10%, skills, growth. Bananas that increase earning power. Jar 5, give 5% charity, gifts. Sharing bananas feels good. Also, karma. Jar 6, emergency, 5% unexpected banana disasters. Car breaks, tooth breaks, life happens. When spending urge hits, monkey checks. Which jar is this? If freedom jar empty, answer is no. If freedom jar has bananas guilt-free, yes. System removes decision fatigue. Monkey already decided when paycheck arrived. Number 2, 24-hour rule. Monkey sees shiny new banana gadget. Brain screams, need now. Monkey says, "Interesting, I'll think about it." Adds to wish list, waits 24 hours. Next day, 80% of needs revealed as mez. The dopamine faded, the urgency died. Monkey saved banana pile. For purchases over $100, 72-hour rule. For purchases over $500, 1-week rule. Number 3, calculate in hours, not dollars. Monkey makes $20 per hour. Banana shoes cost $120. That's not $120, that's 6 hours of life. Sometimes, yes. Often, no. Reframing money as life energy changes spending completely. Number 4, visible savings goal. Abstract save money equals meaningless to brain. Specific, save $5,000 for banana treehouse by December equals brain can visualize. Monkey puts picture of banana treehouse on wall. Every saved $100 progress bar fills. Visual progress equals dopamine hit. Motivation continues. Make savings visible. Make future tangible. Part 6, from spender to builder. This wasn't just about having money in account. Monkey wasn't just spending less. Monkey became the kind of monkey who builds banana empires instead of consuming banana crumbs. While 95% of monkeys trade future security for present dopamine hits, living paycheck to paycheck, this monkey was stacking bananas. Knowing each saved banana buys future freedom. Money isn't about restriction. Money is about options. The only question is, does monkey want temporary banana pleasure or permanent banana freedom? The monkey says, "Thanks, like this video." Toss him a subscribe. It keeps the bananas coming.